Africa, this message is not a good one. Africa as a whole, Africa continent, is about to divide against each other. Jehovah. Please, African continent is about to divide against each other. Some group want to follow this side to Britain, and some want to remain in Africa. And these people will rise against the people that want to remain Africa continent and refuse. I'm not talking about Burkina Faso. I'm talking about whole Africa. I'm not talking about the Libya. I'm talking about whole Africa. Because the Libya will be on top of the crisis. They want to remain Africa. Then Africa started fighting against Africa. So the Lord is telling me that Africa, we need to pray for Africans that they will never fall into victim by themselves and start destroying themselves by themselves. It's not a good one. That Africa running hater-skater against each other. War in Africa against Africa because of the bad leadership. And 70% say, let us be Africa. Then 30% were interested in other foreign countries. And some making trouble with the 70. But the 70 defeated. But it's going to be a civil war. It's coming that may affect everybody. I beg God. I beg God to resist this trouble. May this trouble never come. May Africa be saved. Africans are going to be saved. In the name of Jesus Christ.